everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an epic tour of 8 ultra-cool living rooms. And trust me, you're in for a treat. Starting off, we've got this absolutely dreamy space, rocking that deep gray sectional sofa. Can you imagine sinking into that after a long day? It's so spacious. You could probably invite your entire squad over. Right in front of it, there's this chic coffee table, decked out with some funky decor pieces. Gives off those laid-back vibes, doesn't it? Now, let's talk about the floor situation. On one side, we've got these classy wooden panels, but under the sofa, it's all about that soft, deep charcoal rug. Seriously, it's like walking on clouds, but charcoal black. Perfect! Don't get me started on those massive windows. They're like these giant frames showcasing the beauty of the outdoors. But the real showstopper? The ceiling. It's literally twinkling with these mini star-like lights, bringing that magical starry night right into your living room. All these living rooms ooze a mix of modern luxe and cozy vibes. Every piece, every detail, it's all been handpicked to give you that perfect chill spot. Video and found some inspo for your own space, smash that like button. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our fam for more awesome tours like this. Catch you in the next one.